Seniors. I used to wake up with sore legs and cramps until I found this. Just 3 drops a day, and everything changed. If you're waking up with tight legs, cramps, or just feeling weaker day by day, you're not alone. After 60, over half of all adults have low magnesium levels, and that quietly affects muscle strength and recovery. In this video, I'll show you how just 3 drops of a natural magnesium oil can help your body relax, recover, and fight muscle loss, even while you sleep. Most seniors think muscle loss only happens if you stop exercising completely. But the truth is, it often starts silently. You might still be active, still go for walks, even do light workouts, yet somehow your legs feel weaker, your balance gets shakier, and you're more tired than before. Why? Because after 60, your body changes how it absorbs and uses key nutrients, especially magnesium. And without enough magnesium, your muscles simply can't relax, recover, or rebuild the way they used to. It's like trying to build a house, but the bricks never get delivered. So even if you're doing everything right, a hidden magnesium deficiency could still be draining your strength day by day. Now you might be thinking, can't I just take a magnesium pill? And yes, you could. But here's the problem. After 60, your body doesn't absorb nutrients the way it used to. As we age, digestion slows down. Your gut may not absorb magnesium efficiently, especially if you take medications, have low stomach acid, or deal with constipation or bloating. In fact, studies show that up to 70% of older adults don't get enough usable magnesium, even if they take supplements. That's where magnesium oil comes in. Now, it's not really an oil. It's a concentrated liquid form of magnesium chloride that feels a bit oily when you rub it on your skin. But here's what makes it special. Instead of going through your digestive system, it gets absorbed directly through your skin. Your skin is like a sponge. It has tiny openings, called pores, that allow certain substances to pass through. When you rub magnesium oil onto your skin, it travels through those pores into the tiny blood vessels just underneath. From there, it enters your bloodstream and flows to the areas where it's needed most: your muscles, your nerves, even your heart. It's a gentle and natural process. No pills to swallow, no waiting for digestion, and no risk of upsetting your stomach. That's why so many seniors prefer it, especially if you've ever felt bloated, nauseous, or tired after taking tablets. This method is much easier on your body, and it works quickly. Some people feel relief from cramps or tension within 15 to 30 minutes. Others report better sleep after just 1 or 2 uses. It's especially helpful if you wake up with sore legs, tight calves, or restless muscles, because magnesium helps those muscles relax, recover, and rebuild. But should you still take magnesium supplements too? That depends. If your diet is low in magnesium, for example, not many leafy greens, nuts, or seeds, you might benefit from taking a low-dose oral supplement as well. But for many people, just using magnesium oil daily is enough to feel real improvement. If you're not sure, you can always ask your doctor to check your magnesium levels, or just listen to your body. If you're sleeping better, cramping less, and feeling more relaxed, you're on the right track. Using magnesium oil is surprisingly simple, and you really don't need much. In fact, just 3 drops a day can already make a noticeable difference. Here's how to use it. Apply it to clean skin, ideally after a shower or bath. That's when your pores are more open, and your body absorbs it even better. Then, take 3 drops and gently rub them into areas where your muscles feel tired, tense, or tight. Some of the best spots include your calves or thighs, especially if you get leg cramps, your lower back, if you carry tension there, or even the bottom of your feet before bed. To calm your entire nervous system, massage it in with slow, circular motions. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any stains on your clothes. You might notice a slight tingling the first few times. That's completely normal. It's actually a sign that your body is low on magnesium. If it feels too strong, you can dilute it with a little water or coconut oil to soften the sensation. Most people use it once a day, often in the evening. Why? Because it helps your muscles relax, recover, and rebuild all while you sleep. But what if evenings don't work for you? Not everyone has a relaxing nighttime routine, and some people simply forget. That's okay. You can also use magnesium oil in the morning, especially if you wake up with stiff legs or sore muscles. A few drops on your calves or lower back after a shower can help you feel more flexible and grounded throughout the day. Or you can apply it in the afternoon, right after gentle movement, like a short walk or stretching. This can boost muscle recovery and help you avoid tension building up later in the day. The most important thing is consistency. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just find a time that fits your life and stick with it. Even if it's not every day, your body will thank you for every drop. Magnesium oil is simple to use, but there are a few common mistakes that can limit its effect. Mistake 1, using too much. More doesn't always mean better. Start with just 3 drops and give your body time to adjust. If you overdo it, you might feel itchiness or dryness. Mistake 2, washing it off too soon. Magnesium needs time to absorb. Try to leave it on for at least 20 minutes before rinsing or putting on lotion. Some people even leave it on overnight. Mistake 3, applying to broken or irritated skin. This can cause burning or stinging. Always avoid cuts, rashes, or freshly shaved areas. And finally, mistake 4, expecting instant results. Some people feel better the same night, but for others, it takes a few days. The key is consistency. A few drops a day, every day. That's what brings long-term results. Want to take it one step further? Here's a simple tip. Combine your magnesium oil with light movement before bed. A short walk, a few minutes of gentle stretching, or even just moving your legs while sitting. This increases blood flow, which helps the magnesium absorb even better. It also signals to your body, it's time to relax, it's time to recover. This small combo, 3 drops plus 3 minutes of movement, can boost sleep quality, reduce nighttime cramps, and give your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild. After 60, muscle loss is real. But it's also reversible. Sometimes it's not about doing more. It's about doing the right small things consistently. A few drops, a short routine, and a quiet message to your body. You're still strong, and you're still worth taking care of. If you want to give magnesium oil a try, I've linked my personal favorite in the description below. It's easy to use, and it made a real difference for me. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense tips that actually work for seniors.